This is, what is this? Hold on, before we look at the label, let's see if people know what it is. What is this? Yeah, don't drop it. So, it is from a place called Anchor. I have no idea. Oh, does it say it on here? It says made in China.
Of course.
Not sure what this is. So we don't know what this is. So we'll put this back.
It's shown on the box.
But it has 8. This is the part number, 3209. So let's look up Anchor replacement parts 3209 and let's see what it is.
Anchor replacement parts 3209. They talk about anchor replacement. I said anchor. They
That's
talk about
right.
ankle.
Okay, you want to open this one?